Alright, let's talk about something that probably crosses your mind whenever you think about investing. How much is this actually going to cost me? Specifically, if you're looking at StashAway Simple, that cash management solution, you're probably wondering, what's the fee? Am I getting nickel and dimed here? Because let's be real, nobody wants hidden fees eating into their returns. We're all trying to make our money work harder, not just hand it over to someone else for no good reason. You've heard the buzz about StashAway Simple, right? It's that low-risk, easy-access option for your cash, aiming to give you a bit more than just letting it sit in a regular savings account. But the question remains, what's the catch? See, the beauty of StashAway Simple is its straightforward approach. They've really tried to simplify the whole process, and that extends to their fee structure. Now, here's the key point: StashAway Simple doesn't charge any management fees. That's right, zero. You're not paying a percentage of your assets under management, unlike some other investment platforms. So, how do they make money? They partner with established fund managers, and the underlying funds within StashAway Simple have their own expense ratios. These expense ratios are essentially the fees charged by the fund managers to cover their operational costs. It's important to understand that these expense ratios are already factored into the projected returns you see on the platform. So, what you see is what you get, more or less. Now, it's crucial to remember that the returns on StashAway Simple are not guaranteed. They fluctuate based on market conditions and the performance of the underlying funds. However, the absence of direct management fees from StashAway itself is a significant advantage. It allows you to maximize your returns without worrying about additional costs eating into your profits. Think of it like this: you're paying for the ingredients of a meal, not for the chef's service. The underlying funds are the ingredients, and their expense ratios are the cost of those ingredients. StashAway Simple is the platform that brings those ingredients together, and they're not charging you a separate fee for that service. This transparency is what makes StashAway Simple appealing to many. It removes the ambiguity surrounding fees and allows you to focus on your investment goals. You know exactly what you're getting into, and you can make informed decisions based on the projected returns and the underlying fund expense ratios. Of course, always do your own research. Take a look at the specific funds that make up StashAway Simple, understand their expense ratios, and consider your own risk tolerance. But knowing that StashAway itself doesn't charge management fees is a great place to start. It provides a level of clarity that's often missing in the world of investments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.